General Motors is making a major move at its Tonawanda Propulsion plant in New York. The company announced an investment of $888 million to begin preparing the site for the sixth generation of its iconic V8 engine. This new engine will be more powerful, fuel efficient, and cleaner than the one it replaces, thanks to innovations in combustion and thermal management. This is not the first time General Motors has backed its American engine plants. In early 2023, the company poured $500 million into its Flint engine operations for the same sixth-generation engine project. Now, the Tonawanda facility becomes the second in the United States to take on this advanced engine. Chief Executive Officer Mary Barra says the investment shows the company's commitment to American manufacturing and to keeping jobs in the country. She highlighted the Buffalo area plant's 87-year legacy and its continued role in developing efficient and high-performance engines for trucks and sport utility vehicles. The funding will be used for new equipment, tools, facility renovations, and upgrades throughout the plant. Plant Director Tara Wasik said this marks an exciting new era for Tonawanda, one built on decades of dedication to quality and craftsmanship. Production of the current fifth-generation V8 will continue, while preparations ramp up for the next version, set to launch in 2027. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you stay updated on the future of American powertrains.